Let's make the most delicious egg salad, which I use as a platter, a sharing platter. You can even use it as a side for your braai. Hi everyone and welcome to Perima's Kitchen. I am Selena and I'm making an egg salad, my version. So I boiled and peeled about 8 eggs, and my first top tip, don't cut them. Use a grater and grate your boiled eggs. It will give you the most amazing texture, and your boiled eggs will be so fluffy, which will add to the creaminess of your egg salad. It also gives you a very consistent mixture. Once you're almost done, take out any pieces that may have fallen through, any bigger pieces, and grate them again. Next, I'm going to add my mayonnaise, and you can add any mayonnaise you prefer. I'm using the Nola Ultra Creamy. Add approximately half a cup of mayonnaise, and if you need to add any more, you can always add some at the end. Next, I diced about 2 or 3 pieces of celery, and this gives your egg salad a beautiful crunch, a lovely texture, and it feels very refreshing to eat on a summer day. I then diced some pickles, some gherkins, about 2 or 3 small gherkins, and then add that to your mixture. I'm sure you are enjoying this video so far, so don't forget to subscribe. Now, to have that little bit of tang in your egg salad, I add a dash of pickle juice. So that's literally the juice, the gherkin juice from the bottle. And this is approximately less than a teaspoon. Season with enough salt and some cracked black pepper. Mix well, and then I'm going to add some Dijon mustard. Now I'm adding a heaped teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Mix once again. And we are now ready to add it to my hot dog rolls, which is going to be part of our sharing platter. So cutting your hot dog rolls down the center makes it so much easier for you to share and to eat without dropping. It keeps your egg salad intact. And what I also do is add some microgreens, which adds to the freshness of your egg salad. Put in a generous portion of egg salad into your hot dog roll and continue the same until your platter is full. I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy egg salad, and let me know if you try it out. It is so tasty. It really does take your egg salad to the next level. And now it's the taste test time. And he already had his first bite. Go ahead. Yum. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you are notified of a new video when it's uploaded. Kindly like and share, and your comments are always very welcome. See you again soon in Perima's Kitchen. I am Selena.